viewers, thanks for visiting my channel again. I just received this for 8 days. I ordered eBay because I have the airplane but I don't have the battery. So this one is the one they have a high capacity. It's a Spektrum RC3S 30C Lipo battery with the JST and RCY connector. This one is 11.1 volts, 300 mAh, and the other version is only 2S. This one is more time in the air, so I don't see a lot of review on this individual battery. So I show you, hopefully the one I expect, it's the one they have a balancer. So hopefully this one is, there's a balancer. So let's get together and open this one really quick. So let's use the scissor. Let's do it. So for the info, I'm gonna use this one for my E-Flight UMX, the Timber X, so a liter airplane. And to be assured that you get the right one, I'm gonna measure this one for you after I open it. Here's the measuring tape. Let's open this one. This is the original package I get, still sealed. It's hard to get. Right here, so you can see it's still sealed. So that's the specification there: 30C, 300 mAh, 3S, 11.5 volt. That's the cost, $17.99. So let's open it. So here's my cutter. That's the one I always use for unboxing. So let's cut it right away. And hopefully they have some instructions there. So it says there, lithium polymer battery, stands for Lipo, safety guidelines, 2 pages. That's on the side, and here's the real deal battery. So it's positive, they have some balancer there. That's the one I like, and it's very tiny, you see, compared to my palm. And let's check if there's some still juice to it. Let's try another side. So they have a 36%. So we need to charge this one. And to be exact, it's just gonna give you the, I don't know if you want by inch or by mm. So the height, it's about about 15 mm, and the wide, so that you know where's the 2 mm the wide, and the longest part, not include the wire, is about 42 mm to be exact. So now let's charge this one. So you can tell there's a little bit only juice. So let's charge this one, so at least I show you how this one is look. And it's not too heavy, but it's not too light too. It's you can tell it's decent, and that's the one it say. So and they put some tape, so you need to take the one and the one, some reminders there. And hopefully this one it works to my new airplane. So I think that'd be it. Thank you very much. So let's charge this one press and let's see if this one's work to my UMX E-Flight RC aeroplane. This one is Timber X. Alright, thanks for watching. So I just show you really quick how this one's look like and what's the size of it, so that if you want to buy it you have some idea. Goodbye, thank you very much, and I'm out.